everyone. My name is Drops if you're new, and if you are a returning drop, welcome back. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a Get Ready With Me. So really quick, I'm starting to get into wigs now, and I just don't want to, mess with my hair. I'm still protecting my hair. It's growing. Sorry if you can hear not only the boys, but there are 5 weeks to, I think today, puppies, my dog, and a friend of my husband's dog. She had puppies on January 24th and 25th. 24th, 3, she had a litter of 4. 3 came out, and 1 came out on the 25th. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, sorry if you can hear that. But I'm going to be doing, this is not a review because I don't know who the wig is by. I went to my local beauty supply, one of them, and I bought a couple of wigs. So I ended up seeing one, and it is a synthetic wig, but I thought it was so pretty. Look at the yaki of it. But because it was on sale, they had it was like wig heaven in there. If you are into wigs, that store is so big, it was just like heaven, wig heaven in there. But I went and picked up a few, and then I saw this one, and it was $19.99. So I was like, okay, it's cute, I'm gonna get it. But when I got the lady to help me, she had told me that it was $19.99, and this was on the mannequin's head. This was all that they had left. So when she put it in the bag, she just put it in the bag. It was a Bobby Boss hair bag, but this wasn't what was on the package. I looked it up. The name of the package said Patrice. So when I looked it up on YouTube, this was not it. So I don't know who she is, but she's pretty. I did go ahead and customize it. I plucked the hair some more around the hairline. She came with a middle part. So yeah, I'm gonna flat iron her. So I just washed my hair. I used the Bella, what was it? The Bella Curls curling cream to moisturize my hair. I don't do the cornrows. I don't like to pull my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin this back and put on my wig cap, and then we can go ahead and get to installing this wig. Okay guys, so the hair curled beautifully. This is how long it is on me, and that's with the curls. I'm 5'4.5", so I say this is probably about 20 to 24, 22 inches. I know my lace is still a little light, but I'm gonna fix that. So now we are gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna put this back, and we're gonna go ahead with the makeup portion of the video. And then, yeah, these are my thoughts on this hair, this Jackie hair. Like, this is really pretty. I did not get much tangle at all or shedding. The only shedding I did receive is because I plucked the hair, like I said, the hairline. But it didn't tangle, so I'm pretty happy about that. I just really wish I knew what this was for you guys so I could tell you what it was. But again, it did not say it on the mannequin head when I got it. She did not tell me what it was, nor did it say the correct name on the bag that she gave me, you know, to put it in. So let's get started with this makeup, and I will see you guys in my next one. So definitely on your way out, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Like this video, leave me a comment, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.